Imagine waking up to a breaking news headline. Jupiter swallows Saturn, a solar system catastrophe. Panic spreads across the world as scientists scramble to understand what's happening. Reports confirm that Jupiter, the gas giant ruling our solar system, is now on a collision course to consume every other planet, including Earth. But how could this happen? What would it look like? And most importantly, would anything survive this cosmic chaos? To fully grasp this scenario, we need to delve into the history of Jupiter, understand how planetary collisions work, and explore the terrifying consequences of Jupiter becoming a planetary devourer. So, sit tight as we embark on this apocalyptic journey across the cosmos. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, holding more than twice the mass of all other planets combined. Its immense gravitational pull influences the orbits of asteroids, comets, and even planets. But what if this gravitational giant decided to consume its neighbors? This isn't as far-fetched as it sounds. Scientists believe that around 4.5 billion years ago, a massive protoplanet, roughly 10 times the mass of Earth, collided with young Jupiter. This event likely disrupted Jupiter's core, mixing heavier elements with hydrogen and helium. Over time, Jupiter stabilized, but remnants of this catastrophic event remain in its dense atmosphere. Now, let's fast forward to the present day and imagine Jupiter repeating this destructive process, only this time on an even grander scale. The first target of Jupiter's hunger would be Saturn, the second largest planet in the solar system. Despite being a gas giant like Jupiter, Saturn is significantly less dense. As Jupiter moves toward it, their gravitational forces begin interacting in chaotic ways. The first casualties of this encounter wouldn't be the planets themselves, but their moons. Saturn has 146 moons, including Titan, a world with a dense atmosphere and liquid methane lakes. As Jupiter's gravity intensifies, these moons get pulled into a destructive dance. Some collide with each other, creating a rain of debris, while others are directly sucked into Jupiter's thick atmosphere, vaporizing upon entry. When the planets finally collide, the immense kinetic energy creates a spectacle visible from Earth. Shockwaves ripple across Jupiter, causing its atmospheric storms to intensify. Within hours, Saturn is no more, its gaseous body absorbed, its rings shattered, and its moons either obliterated or repurposed into Jupiter's growing mass. Next in line are Uranus and Neptune, the two distant ice giants. Unlike Saturn, which was similar in composition to Jupiter, these planets are rich in water, methane, and ammonia. Their destruction would be unique. As Jupiter engulfs Uranus, its 27 moons collide with the debris from Saturn's annihilation, adding to the chaos. The icy core of Uranus disintegrates, releasing massive clouds of methane into Jupiter's atmosphere, temporarily tinting its signature bands a deep blue. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, has a rocky core unlike Uranus. When it meets its doom, fragments of this core sink deep into Jupiter, potentially altering its internal structure. After consuming the ice giants, Jupiter is now 40% heavier, its gravitational pull significantly stronger, but it's not stopping yet. Compared to the gas and ice giants, the rocky planets are mere snacks. Venus and Mars are next, but unlike their gaseous predecessors, they won't even reach Jupiter's core. As these planets approach Jupiter, its atmosphere acts as a death trap. The intense gravity pulls them in at extreme speeds, causing them to ignite like meteors. By the time they enter the deep layers of Jupiter, they have completely vaporized, leaving no trace behind. Mercury, being the smallest, is ripped apart before it even reaches Jupiter's atmosphere. Its remnants scatter into space, adding to the ever-growing debris field orbiting the monstrous gas giant. Now, only two celestial bodies remain, Jupiter and Earth. With every other planet gone, Jupiter turns its attention to Earth. Unlike the others, Earth is home to billions of lives. What would happen if Jupiter swallowed our planet? Long before direct impact, Earth would experience drastic changes due to Jupiter's enhanced gravity. Extreme weather, Earth's orbit becomes unstable, leading to climate chaos, hurricanes, tsunamis, and earthquakes. Asteroid showers. As Earth drifts through Jupiter's growing debris field, it gets bombarded by asteroids. Tidal disruptions. The Moon's orbit is distorted, causing unprecedented tidal waves and geological instability. As Earth is pulled closer to Jupiter, its atmosphere begins to tear away. Temperatures rise drastically, igniting wildfires across the planet. The oceans boil, and the sky turns red as the final remnants of life vanish. When Earth finally reaches Jupiter's atmosphere, it's shredded apart, its crust vaporized, and its core sinking deep into the gas giant. The final remnant of our planet is lost forever, leaving behind only dust and memories. Even after swallowing every planet, Jupiter would still not double in size. However, if it continued growing, it could eventually reach a critical point where its immense mass would cause it to collapse inward. If Jupiter gains 70,000% of its current mass, it could trigger nuclear fusion, becoming a second sun. A binary star system would dramatically alter the entire solar system, changing everything we know about life, planetary orbits, and the fundamental structure of our cosmic neighborhood. But that is a story for another time. While this scenario is purely hypothetical, it teaches us valuable lessons about the fragility of our existence. The universe is filled with chaotic forces beyond our control, and Earth's survival is a delicate balance of cosmic factors. We should cherish and protect our planet, because in the vast and unpredictable universe, there are no guarantees. What do you think would happen if Jupiter kept growing? Could it eventually become a star? Let us know your thoughts.